Hello guys, welcome to Tech Design. In the previous video we have discussed on the assembly pull and support, and then we have also discussed on this key. So in this video I'm just going to explain you these two parts. There is a this is the pulley and the other one is a lock. So what I will do is I'll just start creating this part, and let us go to new file and start creating pulley. Hit OK. So what I'll do is I'll just go to Sketcher environment and I'll select one of the plane and click OK. As you can see here, there are many circles. So what I will do is I'll just create all the circles in the single shot itself, and then we can make a extrude. So let us start creating one by one. This is 600 and 550. So what I'll just go is go to circle, and one is 650 mm and another one is 550. Sorry, the first one is 600. Let us reduce it, and then we have 300 mm and then 100 mm. So let us make it 300 and 100. This is 300 and again 100. Can create 100 on another, press C and then make it as concentric with any one of that circle. Okay, now what we have to do is you have a lock here. So this is, there is a distance of 125 mm and 50 mm width. So what we can do is we can just create two lines and let us constrain them. Sorry, give the dimension between this to this, it is 25. There are many ways to do this, but I prefer this method, 50 mm, and let us make these two as, and let us create this as horizontal. So now we have the distance from here to here as 125. As you can see here, 125 is the distance. So what I will do is I'll just create 125, give dimension, and from here to here it is 125. So as you can see here, okay, this is actually 100 mm radius, it's not a diameter. So let us make it as a make it as a 200 mm radius diameter, so that it will be bigger. Now let us trim the extra portion. So press T for the trimming. So I'm just going to trim them. So now as you can see here, all the circles are created in the single sketch itself. Just click finish, and we can see here there is an outer circle with a 200 diameter. So what I will do is I will just go to extrude and select this curve and the below curve and make it as a symmetric, and let us give half of the value, so that is 100. And as you can see here, these two will be up to 250 mm. So what I will do is I'll just go in sketch and select connected curves and select this curve and this one. Now we have on an average the total will be 300 mm. So let us give symmetric of 150 and click OK. As you can see, the side view will be as shown here, and now we can see here there is a wall here. So we have to create that. Let us assume that as a 40 mm on each side. So what I will do is I'll just go to extrude and select this and this. Let us give it as a 40, and here it is 40. Click OK. So now this part is completed, and now what I'll do is I'll just hit Ctrl W and show the solid bodies and save it. Next we have is this component. So let us start doing this component. So what I will do is I will just create a new file with a name lock and click OK. As you can see here, there is a cylindrical cylinder. There are 3 cylinders with 120 diameter. Is here as well, it is 120 diameter, and the other one is 200 diameter. So what we will do is we will just create this sketch, profile, and then we will revolve it. So let us go to the sketcher environment first, and let us create a rough profile, so that we can just make it a constraint. Make sure this and this are in same collinear. So let us go to collinear and make these two collinear. And now you can see here this is 120. So let us give half of that, so that we can revolve it. This is 60. Fit it. And now we have here it is 200, and let us give 100 for this. Go to rapid dimension, and this is 100 mm. And now let us close this. And press T for trimming, and you can go to make corner here. These are already explained in my tutorial. Go to make corner and select these two, so that it will be trimmed and extended. So let us finish this, and now we can go to revolve and select this, and my vector will be this, and as you can see here, right? Okay. So now these cylinders are ready, and now what we have to do is we have to make this slot. As you can see here, the dimension is given. 200 mm is the dimension, and this is R25, and 50 mm is the depth from here. So what I will do is I will just go to the sketcher environment, and let us select this perpendicular sketch. We can make a slot by now going to the rectangle, and we have 200 mm dimension. So let us give this as a 200 mm, and then this width as 25. So let us give it as a 50. Sorry, 50. And now we have an arc here. So this arc should start from this center point. Also in the same way here as well. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll just make this as a construction line, and let us finish the sketch. So as you can see here, from this center, it is 50 mm the distance, and from there it is subtracted. So what I will do is I will just go to extrude, and let us select this sketch. So the start point will be 50, and the end one will be it is up to any point. Sorry, this is 50 and this is 100. Okay, and you can make it extrude as much as possible, so that we can subtract this from the main body. So you can see here the lock is done. Hit Ctrl W and hide everything and make solid as a visible. So these are the two parts in this video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit a like button, as well as share my videos. So please check the next video for the other component as well as assembly. Thank you guys.